Hi guys, happy Thursday. Please take notes of these important reminders and announcements. Today is your last day of content, so please take note. All right, today's lesson, guys, you're going to take your Unit 8, Week 3 multiplying and dividing integers quiz. You can take it as many times as you need. Just make sure you guys, if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Google Meets today at 10:30. I will post it if you miss it or you want to watch it again. Tomorrow is Flex Friday, so please use that day as NTIs or catch up or retakes on anything. And remember, guys, I'm going to have a Google Meets from 11 to 2 tomorrow. You're not required to attend the whole time, but if you'd like to just check in with me, that would be great at any time between 11 and 2. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you've updated anything, and I'll get that done as soon as possible. If you also let me know on the activity feed, I can update that faster. Next week is our review week for your math final, so you will have some sort of kind of review session that's going to be sent out, or review kind of study guide that's going to be sent out tomorrow. So your review is coming out tomorrow. Study guide key will be posted on Monday. Your final is May 18th, and more information to come, so stay tuned. And your last day of school is May 20th. I also will be having review sessions for each day for each unit, okay? So look forward to seeing you guys today. Bye.